guys, and welcome back to another video. So if some of you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Lori and welcome. Please, before you head out, if you don't make it to the end of this video, if you hit that subscribe button over there, we become instant friends. So I'd like that, and I hope you would too. Anyhow, we got to get into some boxes now. I got 3 BOXYCHARMs over here, but we're going to start with this one. This is the base box. BOXYCHARM is a month-to-month beauty box subscription. This one here is $25 a month, and it happens to be my daughter's. It's a gift from me to her. So it does come here to my house just to make sure, because she's in a like a townhome type of situation, and you never know, somebody's going to walk by, pick it up, it's gone. All right, here we go. I peeked in it already. She hasn't seen it. She's coming to get it tomorrow. And if you ever want to know what date I recorded on, just look right there. Okay, so if you're lucky, inside you're going to find something like this. It shouldn't look like that. It should have had a card right on top, which I do see right here. You do get a card. This one is BTS Back to School. On the back, you're going to find a list of all the products that are inside your box along with the retail price. So, and it's got a description of the products that are inside your box. I don't know if you noticed, there is something missing in this box. The packing material. They are no longer putting packing material in the BOXYCHARM boxes. Not even in the premiums, not in the luxes. They're just not doing it at all. So, hopefully your products are getting to you undamaged. So far, for me, things have been good. Now, as for her box, I don't know. So here we go. What's inside? I think this is the one she chose. This is the Glam Glow Youth Mud Glow Stimulating Therapy and Green Tea Leaf, Natural Clay Blend, and Volcanic Rock. I think everybody knows about this one. Now, the only thing about when I open her box, there's a little tug of war going on. Does mom open the products and take all the wrapping off and dip into it, do some swatches, or does she politely just show them to you, move on to the next one, and let her do that? It's the latter. Okay, so the first one was the Glam Glow Youth Mud, and that's the stimulating and exfoliating treatment mask. That one comes in at 60 bucks. Now we're looking for Alana Badro, and it's the Baby Blues set. And it looks like this right here. It's a kind of cute little, like a faux leather. I'll put this back. I will put it back just the way I found it. That's this. I'm not getting in trouble. But this is pretty. It's like, it feels like real leather. But you can tell, you can smell the chemicals. And real leather is very strong, very bam in your face. So, okay, come on. But it's soft, you know what I mean? Look at, see? It's pliable. Oh, look at these. Look at these 3. Oh, how cute. It has her name printed, stamped on the inside. Oh my gosh. The Alana Badro or Badro. This is gorgeous. These are called the Baby Blues. This is insane. These are beautiful. Wow. That is so cool. So she's got like a medium blending brush. There is a, you know, your fine under your eyebrow, your bottom, very delicate detail brush. There's only 3. And then kind of maybe, I don't know, brush the face powder off your face. It needs a little trim, nothing major. I mean, you can see a couple of stragglers there. A couple of little fur balls doing their own thing. But this is pretty. These colors are gorgeous. I mean, I don't think he chose this one, because I know she chose the Glam Glow. And in base box, you only get 1 choice. In premium, you get 2. $58 for those brushes, folks. 58 bucks. And then Georgette Klinger, this is the Marula Primer. All skin types, so doesn't matter. Put it on anybody's face. So there you go. This one comes in at 32 bucks. And then you have the St. Lux Beauty, which is the brow gel. So, you know, sometimes you can see the writing, sometimes you can't. I might have to adjust my other big area mirror. It might bounce off this ring and allow it to project better without the reflection. Okay, it's just brow gel, just kind of like everything else we get. And the brow gel is 22 bucks. And then her last one is by Real Her, and this is Never Give Up. It's a moisturizing lipstick. As I mentioned, the color is Never Give Up. Her typical packaging. This is gorgeous. Tell me that's not beautiful. Look at that. It's very mirrored. It's bronze. The gold. It's that dusty rose. Rose gold. All of those, whatever you want to call it, bronzy. Let's see. Wish I could get you to see. There's the lettering. Okay, anyhow. Ooh. That's Mom's color. Look at this. She won't wear it. She'll try it on, and then she'll turn right around and give it to me. This is not her color. I wish she would wear colors like this. I really do. I think she has the most beautiful, full lips. And she didn't get them from me. Anyway, that's it, everybody. As you know, just like before, I'm going to have the total. It's going to be somewhere. And let's see. Her variation was 002. Is there anything else missing on this? No, we don't know. She got 5 items. So you guys hang tight. I'm going to grab another box and we'll meet right back here. So until then, just sit still. I'll be right back. Oh, and by the way, before you take off, let's do this thing, Kate. That right there, I'd appreciate it. Back in a sec.